The key innovation in Travel Healthy was redefining food and coining a new word that makes it easy to cut through all of the marketing jargon that has made eating healthy downright confusing. And that's because the definition of food has nothing to do with health. With all of its marketing and new science behind it, food has really become a meaningless word. Nouri, on the other hand, redefines and connects what we eat with how it's grown, produced, prepared, and impacts our health. Why is a little word so critically important and life-changing? It's because it instantly changes your perspective on what to eat. Now, you only need to ask, is it Nouri? And if it's not, is it worth the damage?